Good day, guys. Been here. So last time, we tried this. So it's a roof with model sub-element. Okay, so it's quite straightforward, and also the good thing is we can scale the footprint, and also we can keep the size and the rough shape. However, the height, so when we change the size, the height won't change. So which means if we want to keep the exactly the same shape, which means we need to adjust all these height as well. Okay, so today I'm going to show you this one. So this is a generic model, and it's an adaptive family. So we can make it parametric, and we can also make all these parameters to either make it fixed shape, and you can scale it, or you can just manually change all these settings. So actually, what I did to this one is I give it a formula, and it will make this. So I'll show you. So roughly do this. So when we can roughly looks like it close it, and the height go up, and when I open it, the height will come down. Yeah. Okay. So let's do it. So okay. So let's just close it and create a new. So new family. Okay, so we're going to use generic model adaptive. And also, although it's although it's an adaptive family, I'm not going to use adaptive points. I just use this mass environment. Okay, so 1 point, and so first let's just place point. So this will be the base of this family. So I'm not going to just place onto a level. I'm going to place everything onto this point. So first reference, and also there are different ways you can draw all these reference lines onto levels as well. But so this the method I'm going to show you is not the only one. Okay, so reference rectangle, draw on world plan, set world plan, pick this world plan of this point, and then I'll just do this reference line, and then I'll select one of the, so use tab, select, create a dimension, and then once again create a dimension, and then I'm going to just select these two dimension, and I'll use W. So this is the width of this family, and let's use maybe instance, and okay. And then dimension. So before a dimension, I want to double check. I'll set world plan. So hang on, escape. Set world plan. Sorry, we need a tab. Yeah, set world plan onto this point, the horizontal world plan on this point, and to dimension di. And let's just do 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Maybe I'll change the scale. So to see, I want to see these dimensions roughly 1 to 100. Yeah, all good. And then select this one equal. Select this one equal. Okay, so now we have the edge of this family. And then I'm going to place point, use draw on face. Okay, so if we go back to that, where is it? I close it. Anyway, so let's try to place. So we need to place some points. So 1, 2. So make sure it's draw on face. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And I believe we also need. Oh, hang on. We need the middle one. Yeah, we need a middle one. So let's just do it. Reference rectangle, draw on world plan, set world plan, tab, and create another one. Once again, tab, create a dimension, tab, create a dimension. So we don't need this one. Tab, select, delete, tab, select, delete. DI, dimension, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, and 3. Equal and equal. So this will be the width of the top. So select these two dimensions. Let's call it W width top instance as well. And OK. So now we need more points. So points, draw on face. I think we needed this point, this point, this point, this point. Okay, so now we need the top. So we need offset. So this time draw on world plan, set world plan, tab, select the horizontal world plan of the point and place it on the point. Again, set, place, set, and place, set, and place. Now select the point. I'll use IC, isolate category, so it's easier to select the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll create a height. So this will be the height, the top of this family. So I'll just use H instance, OK, and OK. So now go to family types, and I'll just type in a number. So for example, 9 meter. OK, so now you will see all these big dots will go up. Okay, so HR, and then so these are the top. And now we can I think we need to have more points. So let me just open that to just have a look. Okay, so I want to see where I need to place a point. Okay, so if I go click on the top, so roughly it's okay, this here send a midpoint, and also we need the that's a shadow. Sorry, I'll turn off the shadow. Go to the top. So we also need a point here, roughly, I think roughly 20% of this edge. Okay, so 20%. So let's go to go back to Revit. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Go here, and then place point. One place on the midpoint. Make sure you use center. Draw on face. So midpoint, 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 and midpoint. And then we need another one here, 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 here. So roughly, you don't need to place onto exactly that point, but we will change it. So select this point, you will see this little 2 arrow, which means it's measured from this point. Okay, we want this. Okay, this one. So click on this. Yeah, good. This one. Yeah, good. This one. Click on this. Flip it. So this one we need to flip it. This one we need to no, this one. Yeah, flip. So now we can select all these points, and we can just type in. Okay, so we can type in a number. So here. So don't worry about measure from, because some from beginning, some from end. So we just need to type in here. So 0.2, which means 20% of. So this bit is 20% of this edge. So now we have all the points. We have, not really. We still need to offset some points, some of the points. So let's just rotate. So you can see this point, this point, this point. So we still have some work to do. So draw on world plan, set world plan, tab, place, OK, set, tab, place, OK, set, tab, and place, and OK, set, tab, place, OK, set, tab, yeah. You can probably fast forward this video now. Almost finished, almost there. Okay, so I think this is the last one. Okay, so once again, I'll select the one point and the IC, so it's easier for us to pick the point. So one, Control, select all these points. Okay, so and then we can just create another offset. So this time it's a lower offset. So I'll just call it H2 instance, and OK, and OK. and go family types, and I'll just type in a smaller number for this one, for example 2 meter. Okay, so now let's go tab HR to show everything, and then we can start to connect all these points. Okay, so this will take some time. So if you want to, you can also speed up, fast forward. Let me just start with this. Oh, oops, sorry. So maybe I'll just do this. I'll connect one or two and make it reference line. Maybe I'll just Control Z, model line first. I'll select a model line at a point and type IC, so I can hide everything except points and model line. Let's just do it. So select 2 points and create a spline through points. And okay, so this can be a little bit tricky now. That's a lot of line need to be created. Hang on. We missed one here. H2. Yeah, good. So now we can connect them. Okay, so let's just continue along this edge, and then this one go up here. Go here. Okay, now you can speed up. Or you can skip this part. Okay, so oops. Be careful. If you select the line together with the point, it will create a curved line. So only select 2 points each time, and we're almost finish part of it. Okay, so this is the lower edge of this geometry, and then we need to connect. So this one to this one, and of course after we finish all these sorry, just one sec. Oh, that's fine. Let's continue. Let's quickly finish it. It's almost story time. Okay. Okay. Now what's the next step? Oh, I need to check. Okay. So connect this one, and then connect this to this, and this to this, and this to this. Yep, all good. So which means we need to connect these two, and these two, and these two. Okay. Same. These two, these two. Okay, last one. Oops, wrong one. Okay, so now all the lines are finished, but this is only half the work. So first let's select one of the line, IC. So we can select all the line, make them a reference line, HR. Then the next step is we need to create a face surface. Okay, so we need to select 1, 2, 3 and create a surface. hang on. Let's just delete this. Yeah, I'm not sure why there's no option, so to directly just create a solid, but we can just directly delete one the top surface, and only there will be this surface left. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select this surface and one of the reference lines I see, so make it easier to pick lines. And also maybe I'll just HH this. And okay, so let's start. Tab, select 1, 2, 3, create a form. See, there's no option. I'll just click here and delete. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, delete. Tab, oops, 1, 2, 3, create a form, create, delete. Tab, 1, 2, 3, create a form, delete. 1, 2, 3, create a form. Oh, here, options here. We can directly pick the one on the left, which is the surface. It disappears again. So just click anywhere to create a solid. Create a solid, and directly you don't need to go back to pick the face. So you can just directly click on the delete, and we'll delete that top surface. 1, 2, 3, create, delete. Almost there. Half down. Tab 1, 2, 3, create, delete. Tab 1, 2, 3, create, delete. Tab 1, 2, 3, create, delete. 1, 2, 3, create, delete. Okay, 4 left. Last one. Okay, and this is it. Finally, so this is the geometry. So the last step is we need to adjust. So for now we can finish this family, and we can manually adjust all these settings, all these parameters. So for example, if I type in 6 meter, it will become lower. If I type in, so for example 9 meter, if it becomes wider. And also this height too is the point, these points, so we can make it lower or higher. And this is the top, the width of the top, so make it smaller and bigger, right? Okay, so now I'll just quickly show you. If you want to want this shape to stay the same, you can use another parameter and use. So for example, you can just create a new, I'll call it maybe x, and x. Let's just use number, for example, and maybe number is fine. And okay, and then you can use, so for example, you can set a number. So for h equals 100, we can set this one as 100. So this becomes a 60x. Times x. Yeah, 60. Oh hell, 60 millimeter. Why? Oh yeah, that's fine. Yep, that's correct. 6 should be 6. Yeah. So 6. This can be 3 times x. This can be 9 times x. and this can be so 2 times x. So this way you can, so all these the shape will be the same. So the only thing you do is you change this one, and then you can change it in the whole family size and keep this shape a bit. Okay, and so I'll just quickly go back to this family. So what I did in this family is I just only give a formula to the overall height, to the height. So which I used a little trigonometry formula. So when the height go up, so the width come down. So this is the formula. So maybe I'll just copy this one. I'll borrow this one. Okay, so and here we just go here. So first let's just remove all these, and in H I'll just change the name, make sure it match the other one. I think that's good. Square, so this is the sum number I just set there. I think it's a little bit too big for this family. Maybe I'll just make it smaller. Yeah, I think roughly right. Yeah, okay, so click OK, and then so we can adjust this width. Okay, so I'll try 6 meter. It should go up a little bit, 5 meter. Okay, and we can also do this. So if I type HR to show everything, so sometimes I like to do this. So I like to just draw. Let me just set work plan onto this level. I'll just do to reference line, parallel, dimension, and I apply the width to it. Okay, and sometimes I like to do this to instantly just to see the shape, the change of the shape of this family, right? And yeah, I think this is it. I have already uploaded this family, but if you, I don't think I included that formula in it. But if you can just have a look here, copy this formula into this parameter, and you can make it work. Okay, so that's it for today. So basically, we did an adaptive family to create a similar roof or similar geometry, just like this one, the one we did yesterday. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.